cricket and in life, the pursuit of excellence is a journey that never ends. Keep pushing your limits, and you'll achieve greatness. Life throws bouncers at us, but it's how we handle them that defines us. When faced with adversity, stand tall, face it head on, and emerge stronger. Cricket is a team sport, and success works together towards a common goal. Remember, the strength of a team lies in its unity. Setting clear, achievable goals is the first step towards success. Your goals should be your guiding stars, driving you to do your best every day. Failure is not the end. It's a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes, adapt, and come back stronger. Cricket is as much a mental game as it is physical. Developing mental toughness is crucial to face challenges and perform under pressure.
Like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get new videos notifications.